Hi, this is Ananya. Welcome to Newsbeat's latest updates. Arvind Kejriwal's Goa promise: allowance for jobless, quota for locals. Arvind Kejriwal also took a swipe at Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and the ruling BJP over free water for 60% of residents and doorstep delivery schemes that are already in place in Delhi. Panaji: an unemployment allowance of Rs 3,000, Rs 5,000 in some cases, and 80% quota in private sector jobs for locals were among 7 assurances given by Arvind Kejriwal today in Goa, where the Aam Aadmi Party Chief Minister and his party are prepping to contest next year's assembly election. Mr. Kejriwal, who made identical promises to Uttarakhand voters on Sunday, said the AAP, if voted in, would fight corruption and ensure at least one unemployed person from each household found a job. Goa is a beautiful state. The people are nice, and Goa has given everything to Goa. But politicians and parties have looted. We need to stop this loot. Have an elaborate plan, he began. The Delhi Chief Minister highlighted the impact of COVID-19 on the state's finances, Goa release on tourism revenue, and said unemployment allowances for affected people, as well as those whose jobs had been lost to restrictions and bans on the mining industries, would be Rs 5,000 per month.
हर बूंदों में एहसास नया है, ताजगी भरी खुशियाँ. द बंगाल वाटर फॉर लाइफ, अब आपके शहर में.
Mr. Kejriwal also took a swipe at Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and the ruling BJP, pointing out their new schemes. Free water for 60% of residents and doorstep delivery have been running in Delhi for several years. I heard Pramod Sawant had made water free in Goa. This is good news, but we did it 4 years ago in Delhi. I also heard Sawant has started doorstep delivery. We did it 3 years back in Delhi. Sawant is copying the Delhi model in Goa when the original, referring to the Aam Aadmi Party, is available. What is the need for a duplicate? He asked. Mr. Kejriwal also offered 300 units of electricity free, promises made to Uttarakhand and Punjab voters as well, and in line with what Delhi residents already have, and said the state's farmers' power bill would be fully paid for by the government. He also promised voters 24-hour electricity supply. In August, Mr. Sawant also offered free electricity at an estimated Rs 120 crore cost to the state. Mr. Kejriwal hit out at critics who have questioned how the AAP intends to offset the huge financial burden of such generous subsidies and promises, pointing out, "We stopped corruption and we saved money. This is how we proved ourselves in Delhi, and we will do the same in Goa." मैं जो कहता हूँ करता हूँ. मैं नेता नहीं हूँ. मैं राजनीति नहीं करता. मैं आम आदमी का दर्द समझता हूँ. I do what I say will do. I am a public servant. Don't play politics. I understand the pain of the common man, Mr. Kejriwal said. That particular statement perhaps was a response to new Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Channi's attempt yesterday to wrest the Aam Aadmi common man tag from the party.